CapCut is the best video editing app for beginners. So if you know you are a beginner and you want to really create content, original content, you don't want to be using people's videos so that you'll be having copyright problem. CapCut is the best. Now let's go to my screen. Let me show you exactly how you can use CapCut to edit your videos. It's very, very easy and simple. Let's go. So all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. So go to your Play Store and search, and go and search for CapCut. All right. Go and search for CapCut. All right. When you see CapCut, I already have it. Now you open it. All right. When you open it, then this is how the interface will be. All right. You want to edit video. You bring your video in by clicking new. So when you have it like this, let me use one video. Let me use this video. Okay. Let me use this video.
When I was going around, one of the countries I went to.
You click this, then you bring it in. This is the video you want to edit. All right. Like this is the video that you want to edit now. What do you want to do? You can read down here. You can read down here. If you need to give this video a caption, want to write, you click. You see here. It's what I click. Test. You can see. You can see A+. All these ones. Click it. See now. And then you can type whatever you want to type. Now this thing you are typing now, if you want to give it a, you can see it, style. You can see it. You can see it. If you want to bold it, you can see it. If you want to turn it like this, you can see it. To turn it, or you can use your finger to open and close it like this, make it bold, and that's for that. Then if you want to, like when you do, you click that mark. Then if you want to like let another video show on top of this, or picture to show on top of this, the option is called overlay. You go back, you see overlay, you click it, then add overlay. You can add picture. Go to your photo in your phone, you will see. You can add this. You can see it now. If you want to make it small, you can make it small. If you want to bring it to one side or middle, bring it like this. All right. What else do you need to do? Then, if you want to add sound, you can add sound. But I don't encourage you to use any sound on this CapCut, because most of the sound here will give you copyright issue. So let's say what else? If you want to adjust it, if you want to change the background, for example, now the background of this all you need to do is to go and look for background, and then you click. Then you follow the option. Then you change it, so you don't have any issue here. You don't have any issue here. You can see. So whatever you want to do here, actually, you can see the option here. You just follow it, and then so whenever you finish doing what you want to do, you click this export to get your video out. Click like this. You click this export like this, then it will download your video out for you. Then you can use it. I don't want to finish it. I don't need it. All right. So that is it. Make sure you share this video. Thank you.